Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy. So, today again we are here for learning science. In science we learn about different type of things, different type of foods, different type of animals and many other things. We also learn about the things, some are natural, some are man-made, some are living, some are non-living things. We learn about our body parts also, that every body part important for us. Then we learn about different rules. These are safety rules which we have to follow at our home, in school and on road also. We learn about air and water, that air and water is the important thing which living things need to live. We learn that all living things need air to breathe and water for drinking. So all these things we learn in science. Then in lesson number 13 we learn about weather. We learn about different types of the day which changes every day, and many days together making one season, and all these things we learn. That we feel sometimes hot, sometimes cold, and sometimes we all are feeling very windy day. So all these things we learn in science. So let's start our today's lecture. As you know, I am your science teacher Mubasira Miss from Mahdi School, and today we continue our lesson number 14, the sun, moon and star. The name of this lesson is the sun, moon and star. So in this lesson we learn about sky. First we learn that what we see in the sky. Then we learn about sun, that where is sun, and what we learn about sun, that the sun is a big ball of fire. Because of this fire we all feel heat and sunlight, and sun is also one of the important thing for us, right? So let's start our today's topic. Our today's topic is moon. So today we learn about moon, where we see moon, when we see moon, and how the moon is changes and what we called it, right? So let's start our today's lecture with one beautiful line. So the line is, do what is right, not what is easy, right? So what is meaning of this line? That when you are doing anything, like when you are doing your homework, and if you are learning something, if you are doing maths, so do what is thing which is hard, right? So not the easy one. Whenever you do anything or you are visit anyone's place, and at that time you see that someone is doing some misbehaving children's, when you are going in some birthday parties, right? So they are playing with something, playing with water, right? So at that time you need to do right, not play with them and don't waste water, right? So like that, do what is right, not what is easy, right? So with this beautiful line, let's start our today's lecture. So, in this lesson we learn about different things which you see in the sky. So, what you see in the sky? Here you can see the picture of sun, right? So, we already learn about sun. So, what we learn about sun? That sun is a big ball of fire which is in the universe. And we also learn about solar system, that sun is the main thing in solar system. 9 planets are roaming around the sun, and from these 9 planets, our planet is Earth. So Earth is the only planet on which there is living life. So we already learn about sun, that sun is a big ball of fire. Sun is very important thing for living life. We also learn that without sun there is no life is possible. How? Because we need water. So we get water from water cycle, and water cycle not possible without the sunlight. We learn about plants, that plants also need sunlight to grow, right? So we learn about sun, how sun is important for us. If there is no sun, then there is no day, there is no night, right? So when we learn about sun, we also learn about the sun, that sun is very important thing for us, right? So in this lesson we learn about sun, that sun is a big ball of fire. Then other thing we learn in this lesson is the stars. So here you can see the picture of stars. So we learn about stars. So what we learn about star? The star is a thing which is bigger than sun, but it looks tiny. So in this lesson we learn about the star, and we learn about the sparkles of the stars also, right? So some stars are looking golden, sometime it is colored silver, some red stars are also in the sky. Then we learn today about moon, right? So in this lesson we learn about many different things. So which things that are? Here you can see the picture of moon. First we learn about sun, that sun start day, right? So when sun rise, start day. When sun set, it give us night, right? So it bring us night, right? So these things we learn in this lesson. So here you can see the picture of sun, then star, then moon. And next picture is again about star, and the last one is about day and night. So we already learn about day and night, right? So here you can see the picture of day and night. So in previous lecture we also learn about the day and night, and where sun is going. You remember or not that sun is not going anywhere, but the earth is moving around the sun and moving also on earth its surface, and because of that we get day and night. Sun is not going inside the sea, sun is not going behind the mountain, sun is not going to sleep at home. It is on the place, but we are moving, we are roaming. That's why there is day and night. So all these things we learn in this lesson, and the number of this lesson is lesson number 14. And what is the name of this lesson? The name of this lesson is the moon, sun, star, and we learn about all these things. So the name of this lesson is the sun, moon, and star, right? So all these things we learn in this lesson, right? So today we learn about moon, right? So before we start our today's topic, first we revise. But today what we revise? Today we only revise about sunset, right? So first there is sunrise, and today when the sun set, then we can learn about moon, right? Yes or no? So let's start our revision. So first in the morning we all know that because of sunrise the day will start, right? Then how the night start, right? So what bring us night? We already learned about this in previous lecture, right? So what bring us night? So it is sunset. We already learned about sunset, yes or no, right? So let's complete our sunset, and when the sun set, then it bring us night, right? Because we today learn about the moon, right? So when you see moon in the night. So first we need to be sunset, right? So sunset, and after then the night will start, right? So again the sun is not going anywhere. Slowly we moving on our surface. It means the earth is moving, and because of that we going away from the sun, right? That's why when the sun is totally disappear, at that time we get night, right? So what bring us night? Sunset bring us night. So today we learn about sunset, we revise it, and then today we learn about night, right? So here you can see the picture of evening. So when the sun set, after some times the night will start. So the thing when you see here on your screen, it is the picture of evening. Just the sun disappear, still there is a light. So when this light disappear, it means the sky become totally dark. It means the night start, right? So let's learn about night, and let's learn about our today's topic, and today's topic is moon, right? So let's see. So here what you see on your screen, the sun is disappear and night start. And when the night start, what you see on your screen, it is picture of moon, right? So we learn that sunrise bring us day and sunset bring us night. Now our today's topic is that what bring us night, and it is sunset. And when it is night, what you see in the sky, right? So let's see. And what we learn today? Today we learn about the thing which you see on your screen. And what you see on your screen, it is picture of one ball. It is looking like ball, right? Is that a ball? No. So what is this? It is white color thing, right? So what is this? You see this, right? You learn about this. There is one poem also about this which you all are learn, right? So what is this? It is the picture of moon. What is this? It is moon, right? So what we learn about today moon is that where you see moon, when you see moon, and we also learn about different phases of the moon, right? So today we learn about moon and how it is looking where you see this. All these things we learn about the moon, right? So let's see. So what thing you see on your screen? It is moon. I write here the spelling of moon also, right? So here our first question is that where you see. So where we see the moon. Now think in your mind where you see the moon. You see moon in your class, in your house, on the ground, in car. Where you see moon? Let's see where we see the moon, right? So here you can see the picture of moon, right? So where is moon? Is that blackboard? It is looking like blackboard, right? So is that blackboard? Is that mountain? What is this? The background is looking like a sky, right? So it is the sky. And this type of sky, when you see at which time? At the night. And we already learned about this, that because of sunset we all get night, right? So when sun is going, when sun is disappear, at that time the night start, and in the night we see two things. The one thing is moon and the second thing is star. So today we learn about this moon. Here you can see the beautiful picture of moon near sea. You can see here the water, and you can see the how the moonlight make this sea beautiful. So like sun, the moon is also giving us light, right? But the sunlight is very bright and the moonlight is not as bright as sunlight. Sunlight give us heat, but moonlight not giving us heat, right? So when you see the sky in the morning, you see sun. When you see the sky at the noon, you see the moon, right? So there is difference between sun and moon. We also learn about this in next lecture, but today we learn about moon, right? So here you can see the picture of moon. So when you see the moon, you see moon in the sky at night, right? So our question is, when we see the moon, it is not compulsory that we are see moon in night only. We can see moon during the day also, right? So when we see the moon, let's learn that when we see the moon, what is this? Which picture you can see here? It is the picture of one city, maybe the picture of the one pool, right? But which type of atmosphere here? Is that a day, or is that a evening, or is that a afternoon, or is that a night? What is this? Here you can see the picture of the one thing. Maybe it is picture of one city, right? And you can see here the dark background, right? So darkness in the atmosphere. So what is meaning of this? If there is sun, then there is light, right? If there is no sun, so it means there is no light. And if there is no light, it means it is night. Understand the difference between day and night? During the day, you see light. If there is sun in the sky, there is light. But if there is no sun in the sky, the sun is hiding behind the clouds. So at that time, you get light also. The sun is in the sky. So during the day, if the sun in the sky or the sun is behind the clouds, still we get light, right? So here you can see the picture of night, because there is no light, and we all know that the night is without sun, and that's why there is no night, right? So here you can see the picture of night. So our question is, when we see the moon, right? So when we see the moon, we see the moon in the night. So here you can see the picture of moon. So now our question is clear, that when we see the moon, we see the moon in the sky at the night. Two questions are here: where we see the moon at the night, and when we see the moon, right? So we see the moon at night, right, in the sky, right? So this is the thing which we learned today, that about moon, right? So here you can see the picture of moon which we see in the night, right? So what we learn about moon today? We learn about moon that it lightens up the night sky, right? So it is the thing that in the night, when you see the sky, right, so around the moon, when you see the moon in the sky, you can see the moonlight. So it means the moon is lighten the sky. But when? At the night, right? So in the morning, sometimes you see the moon also. But during the day, when you see the moon not lighten up the sky. Why? Because of the sun. The sun is bigger than moon, and the sunlight is brighter than the moonlight. That's why we cannot see the moon as well as star in the morning or during the day, but sometimes we can see moon in the sky during the day also. So at the night there is no sun, right? So that's why the moon lighten the sky. So it lightens up the sky, the moon, like a big ball of fire? No. It is looking like a big white ball. It is not ball of fire. It is looking like a ball, right? So it is not also cotton, ball of cotton, right? So here what we learn today about moon? The moon is lighten up the sky. The moon look like a big white ball. Sometimes you can see the moon even during the day, right? So sometimes you can see the moon even during the day. Now let's learn about all these things. The moon visible at night, right? So you can see clearly moon at night in the sky. So here you can see the picture of moon, right? So we learn that moon is looking like a big white ball, right? So here you can see the picture of moon and you can see it is looking like a big ball, and the color of moon we all know it is the white color. So moon is looking like a big ball and it is color in white, right? So when you see the moon at night in the sky, and the color of moon is white and looking like a big white ball. So here you can see the picture of moon. Now what is the shape of the moon? Here you can see the picture of full moon. Again I am telling you full moon, right? So let's see, and today we also learn about full moon, right? So here you can see the moon and it is looking like a big ball, and the shape of the moon is again like sun, right? So it is the picture of full moon, and you can see here I circle the shape of the moon and how it's look. It is looking like a ball. Here you can see the picture of basketball, but basketball is too small when you see the moon and sun, right? So here you can see the picture of moon and it is looking like a ball. So the color of moon is white and it is looking like a ball. And here you can see the picture of full moon. Again I repeat, it is the picture of full moon, right? So full moon is looking like a big ball and it is looking like cotton ball, right? But it is not cotton ball. It is the picture of moon and it is real picture of moon, right? So we can take a picture of moon, but we cannot take a picture of sun, right? It is picture of moon and it is real picture of moon, right? So you can easily understand. And sometimes we see the sun during the day with moon. So sun is compulsory in the day, during the day, and sometimes you can see the moon also in the sky during the day. Here you can see the picture of moon during the day. Here in third picture you can see the sunlight also, right? So you can easily understand that how it is looking in the day, right? So we can see the moon in sometimes during the day. So here you can see the 4 picture of moon in the day, right? So we learn about moon today. So what we learn about moon today? We learn that during the day sometimes we can see the moon. We also learn that sun and moon are looking same, but what is different between them? Because the sun is more brighter than moon, and we see the moon at the night, and we also learn that the moon is looking like a big white ball, right? Now let's observe the sky. let's see some pictures of sky at night. So here you can see the first picture, right? So you just see the picture and observe that how moon is looking, right? So here you can see the picture of mountains and you can see the picture of sky also. It is the picture of night. How we identify it is night? Because here you can see the darkness and you can see the moon also, right? Now here you can see the shape of the moon, right? It is looking like a ball? No. Now let's see and observe the sky. Here you can see the other picture. So the moon's shape is changed, right? Let's see third picture. You can see the picture of moon again the shape of the moon is same? No. And you can see that the position of the moon is also changes, right? Not on the same place. Here you can see the picture of full moon. You can see total round moon, right? So first we see the small moon, then you can see then half, then you can see the full moon, right? Here you can see the moon is smaller than the big, right? Here the third picture you can see. Again the last picture. So what you observe here? You observe that every day, it means every night, the shape of the moon changes. Now you can also do at your home. Every night go on the terrace and see the moon. If you are standing in your window also you can see the moon, right? So here you can see the picture of moon at different day, right? So is moon same? As I told you that the shape of the moon is same because we all observe the sky. So shape of the moon is changes. Here you can see the different shape of the moon which we see on different night, right? So what you see? You see that like whether the moon's shape is also the shape of the moon changes every night. So now you can understand that the sun is full every day but the moon is changes every night. Now the question is that what we called it, right? So here you can see that we called it phases of the moon. So different shape of the moon are known as phases of the moon which is changes every night, right? So what is this? It is phases of the moon. So here you can see the picture of moon, right? So it is the chart, right? So now here between them in the circle you can see there is the picture of earth where we all are living, right? So this is the phases of the moon. The black color part is night and yellow color part here you can see it is the moon. So first picture is new moon. It means there is no moon in the sky. New moon means next day the new moon. It means the moon you can see in the sky, right? So here you can see the picture of new moon. It means no moon in the sky. So let's learn about the different shape of the moon and the name of this shape also. So first you can see in the center black color thing there is no moon. It means new moon, right? So here you can see the picture of new moon. It means no moon. So in the night you not see moon. And the second is the waxing crescent, right? Third one is first quarter. So half moon. We called it half moon also. Then the next is again the moon is full, right? So I told you that the yellow color part you can see it is the moon, right? Then you can see that the picture of full moon. So the full moon you can see in the sky, and slowly this moon is disappear at the new moon, right? So this is the different shape of the moon which you see in the sky at night, right? So first the moon become smaller, and the moon after then disappear on one night, which is new moon, and slowly increase the moon shape, and one time it is full moon, right? So these all things we learn about moon, right? So what we learn today we learn about moon at the sky, right? Then we learn about the night, we learn about different phases of the moon. So tomorrow we learn more about moon and other things. So I hope you all enjoy this lecture. So take care of yourself and stay healthy.